And of me is OUKITEL K13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. You need to begin by locating Sound Recorder app and tapping on it. Then click on this red button to start your recording and tap on Allow in the pop-ups. As you can see now, my recording is on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, tap on the same left button. If you want to end it and save it, click on the square one. From here you can save your recording, but you can always delete it by choosing this card. I will go with Save Those. I have to click over here. And when I click on the same right button, as you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to play it, you need to click on it. Then, if you wish to delete your recording, you need to access the list of it again. Hold it, tap on this delete icon over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!